What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to a special episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the Diablo sandwich from old Smokey and the Bandit. Because I was watching old Smokey and the Bandit the other night, and I saw old Jackie Gleason, Sheriff Buford D. Justice, go in to get his Diablo sandwich. Isn't that what you said you wanted?
Let me have a Diablo sandwich, a Dr. Pepper. Make it fast. I'm in a goddamn hurry. You want something?
Hush, puppy, Daddy.
We got no time for that.
Gets me every time. That boy's crazy. But that's the thing. I got thinking, what is a Diablo sandwich? So I looked it up on the internet, and wouldn't you know, just like many things from movie lore, it really didn't exist. Old Jackie Gleason, he's crazy in that movie, and he kind of just said it off the top. So I'm going to make my own version of it today, what I think it would be. I saw some other versions of it some other people made, but we're going to do it my way, don't you know? Kind of like the Bandit pulling out, you know. Don't you want to go, Bandit?
Let's all ask. I'm ready.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and get it started. Today, I'm going to make mine using pulled beef, because when you look at him slopping that sandwich, it's a sloppy sandwich. And Diablo denotes to me that it's got to be hot, baby, hot. Kind of like old Sally Field was in that movie. So we're going to go ahead and get some roast, and I'm going to do a pulled sandwich today. Get your chuck roast. And now I'm going to take mine and I'm going to trim some of the fat off of it, you know, because I don't want it ooey gooey, but I do want it good. So I didn't trim all of it off, but I did trim some of it off, because to trim all of it off would just be criminal, wouldn't it?
What we're dealing with here is a complete lack of respect for the law.
That's what I'm talking about. So go ahead and take your stuff, put it in the pot, and then we can go ahead and do some things that, you know, Buford T might be chasing us down for. So, you know, you're saying to yourself, like, oh, I know you had some Coors somewhere. Well, man, I was smuggling Coors into my gut last night. Oh my goodness. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, why did you drink all that Coors beer? Well, tell him, little anus.
Because he's thirsty, dummy.
Damn right I was. But now I want some good to get me back on top. So let's go, snowman. Now we got our thing, we put it in there. I'm gonna let mine go for about 4 hours on high. Like I said, let it cook. We can go watch the movie again, have a good old time, come back, and we are ready to assemble the damn thing. We're almost there. We almost made it to Texarkana. Now we're going to get the bun today. I got the onion bun. You're saying to yourself, like, oh, well, was that in the movie? No, it wasn't. I just did it because I like this one. So I'm gonna make it my way. I'm gonna do it all the way. Now I take my onion bun, I open it up, and I put the shredded iceberg lettuce down on the bottom of that thing, because that's going to give me a good base to it. That's going to give me some good crunch in my lunch. So put the lettuce down on there. Next thing that you're going to do, put that big bad meat on there. Now we've got this meat and we've pulled it. It's delicious, it's tender, and it's looking good, man, like that Trans Am was smoking. So let's go ahead and do that. Next thing I want to do, the Diablo, baby. Let's put some jalapeno, buddy, right on top of that thing. And just to sauce it up and make it extra spicy and icy, I got this Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Looks good, smells good, gonna be good. So let's cruise around the corner with Fred over there. Get Fred over there. Get what's Fred's ass doing?
Come on. Fred, I'm damn tired of picking you up. I got to. Fred! Come here, Fred. Come here, boy. Come on. Fred, don't you make me come after you. Get over here, Fred. Come here. I'm in a hurry and you want to take a swim. You drive me crazy, Fred. You just drive me crazy. Oh, get up here.
All right, now that we got Fred, we're going to have a sight and we're going to have a bite of the Smokey and the Bandit Diablo sandwich tonight, ain't we? Yeah. Damn. Alright, baby, the time has come. The Diablo sandwich is done. And I'm having that first bite for myself, and I had to get a Dr. Pepper. Have to get the Diablo sandwich with the Dr. Pepper. It's only right, sir. So, boy, I'm excited about this. It's all my favorite stuff. You got meat, you got barbecue sauce, jalapeno, buddy. Oh, man. Let's take a big old bite for Sheriff Buford T. Oh! Wow, man. Right off the bat, you're getting that good meat in there, that lettuce, that delicious onion bun. And when you're saying, oh, it's savory sweet, but where's the Diablo? Bam! Coming around the back door just like the Bandit and that Trans Am. Some jalapenos and that spicy sauce. Hell of a combo, man. Hell of a combo, like the snowman and the Bandit himself. So, I want to thank y'all for driving through to see another episode of Cooking with Black Owen. Make sure you like and subscribe and watch me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking shows right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I got to haul ass and have some more of this sandwich and maybe another one when I'm done. So, I will see y'all next time. Actually, where I go? Gotta do it right, buddy. Oh, that's good. Calm down that fire. Woo! I'm happy as hell.